Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a new topic, that is comparing quantities from 7th class NCERT. Here is about the introduction of comparing quantities. In our daily life we can see many quantities like height, weight, speed, time, distance, like this. There are so many quantities in our daily life. But here comparing quantities, what is a quantity? These are the quantities in our daily life. But here we are going to compare the quantities. This is the main theme of this comparing quantities chapter. Okay, let's start with the introduction. First of all, we have to know what is a compare a quantity. For example, A is having height of 4 centimeters. B having 10 centimeters. Okay, we can compare. Who is the tallest one? He is the one. If you take A has the 40 kgs weight, B has the 10 centimeters height. This comes under weight and this comes under height. But you can say by using these weight and height, who is the bigger one? No, we cannot find that with the help of weight and height of separate two persons, because we have to compare any quantity. Either must be A having weight, similarly B also having weight. Here we are having height of the B and weight of the A. So we cannot compare these two quantities. If you take another example, let's start. This is as example 1. Next take another example 2. You know cheetah, right? Speed of the cheetah, for example, speed of cheetah is 120 km per hour. If you compare this with the speed of the man, it is 20 km per hour. Then you can say, see, cheetah having the highest amount of speed per hour, right? So here speed of the man is less, right? You can compare. If you take cheetah speed same 120 km per hour. Man height 6 feet. Okay, then can you compare these two quantities? This is in speed, this is in height, right? You cannot compare these two quantities. So from these examples we can say one thing, that is, if you want to compare any quantities, we have to check whether two quantities are in the same units. So we can write it as, to compare two quantities, the units must be same. So this is the main important thing of the comparing quantities. If we want to compare two quantities, see, in this case these two are in centimeters, so by using centimeters, 10 is the most height, so that's why we are choosing B. Here also cheetah speed is greater than the man speed, so that's why we are choosing cheetah speed as the highest one. Similarly, if you want to compare any quantities, like if you take a distance also, let it be school, and this is the A's house. It's having 25 kilometers. If you take, this is the school and this is B's house, this is 5 kilometers. Then which one is near to the school? B. So we can tell by using the comparing these two quantities. Similarly, to compare two quantities, the units must be same. Okay, this is the just introduction about the how to compare a quantities. If you take ratios, ratio is nothing but, what is a ratio? It means, see, if you take A height is 5 centimeters and B's height is 10 centimeters. This is comparing of heights. Okay. Now, how would we can write it as ratio A by B? It means 5 by 10. Centimeters is common, so there is no need to make a units here. So we can call it as a ratio has no units. It means if you want to compare two different quantities, then it in the form of ratio. We don't want any units to compare. Okay, here A by B is equal to 5 by 10. So how it would be? 1 5s are 5 2s are. So A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the ratio of the A and B heights. If you take another example like speed of bus, it is equal to 120 kilometer per hour. For example, speed of train is equal to 300 kilometer per hour. Okay, then B is to T. It means bus is to train. We can write it as B by T also. So it is equal to 120 by 300. See, 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 6s are, 2 15s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. So bus is to T, 2 is to 5 ratio. It means here bus can travel, for example, 2 times, but train can travel 5 times. So that is the way to represent ratios. And so this is the about the introduction of the comparing quantities and ratios. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in a comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today we are going to discuss about the another topic, that is equivalent ratios from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. So here is about the equivalent ratios. In previous videos we already discussed about the ratios, but here equivalent ratios. We know the word equivalent. It means equal, right? So it is equal ratios. So different ratios can be compared because of we have to know the whether they are equivalent or not. Okay, in this process we have to make the given ratios into fractions. So first of all we have to convert the given ratios into fractions, then these fractions to the like fractions. Why only we are using like fractions means, here we know the like fraction definition. What is the like fractions? Denominator is same for the all fractions. So the type of fractions is said to be like fractions, right? So here B, here B. If in case here B is equal to 2, here also B equal to 2. So then only we can say it as a like fractions. So here only one thing, equivalent ratios. In order to find different ratios, those are equal or not, we have to take the ratios and convert the ratios into fractions, that also like fractions. Then only we get the equivalent fractions, equal or not. So that is the main theme of the here topic. So this topic is much easier to solve the problem. So let's take the example problem. Or the ratios 1:2 and 2:3 are equivalent. Here two ratios are given. This is the 1 and this is the 2. We have to find the equivalent. It means these two ratios are equal or not. Okay, let's start. So first of all we have to convert these ratios into fractions, right? So step 1, given ratios, that is 1:2 and 2:3. Step 2 is convert into fractions, right? Convert into fractions. So 1/2 and 2/3. Step 3, we have to make equivalent or not. So equivalent or not. So that is 1/2 is equal to 2/3 or not. That is the question we have to find. So now, in order to get these two denominators equal, common multiple is 6. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. Here, see, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Similarly, here also 2/3 into 2/2. It is equal to 4/6. See, this denominator and this denominator equal. So this is step is to we are making these given fractions into like fractions. So step 4, like fractions. Those are here 3/6 and 4/6. Now step 5, compare which ratio is greater. That's only. Here 3 by 6. It means this is 4 by 6. 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. It means 3 by 6 is much lesser than the 4 by 6, right? So this is the original ratio is 2:3. Of course, 3 ones are 3 twos are also. 3 ones are 3 twos are. 2 twos are 2 threes are also, right? So here 1 by 2 is smaller than the 2 by 3. So these two are not equivalent because of there is numerators are different values but denominators are equal values. If in case there is a 4 by 6 and 4 by 6, these two given ratios are equivalent, but here in this case these two are not equivalent. Therefore ratios 1:2 and 2:3 are not equivalent. So this is about the how to compare two different quantities, that is the ratios, how to make equivalent or not. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box. Click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is keeping things in proportion and getting solutions from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Here is the topic about the keeping things in proportion and getting solutions. Here we can see one thing, that is proportions are constant and getting solutions from that given thing. So that is the main theme of this given topic. So let's start. You can see any drawing, like for example there is a big drawing with some units. It means some measurements. But in case if you want to convert that big drawing into small one, we have to take a scale, right? It may be like 2:5 ratio. Like if you take another example like bar graphs, etc. If you want to place any bar with respect to the here, so we have to take this small box into scale. Like we are taking 1 unit is equal to 10 people or 10 centimeter, like that. So if you want anything, that is any unit solution, we have to take some proportions, right? So from that proportions we are making some proportions are constant, and by using remaining proportions we have to get the solution. That is the one. So I hope you will better understand with this example problem. So let's see the example problem here. The car that I own can go 150 kilometers with 25 liters of petrol. How far can it go with 30 liters of petrol? Here a car can go 150 kilometers with 25 liters of petrol. Then how far can go with 30 liters of petrol? Here two things are given. One is distance and another one is liters. So we know that in our ratios, to compare two ratios, we don't need any units, right? So here we don't want any units, but we have to find the how far it can go with 30 liters of petrol. Here is two methods. I will explain two methods also. So first take method 1. Given car can go 150 kilometers with 25 liters of petrol. Then how far can go with 30 liters of petrol? How far it can go? We have to find, right? So now here 25 liters of petrol is equal to 150 kilometers. Now 30 liters of petrol, how much kilometers? Now let's take here method 1 as, let it be this kilometers as, let's take as x. Okay. Now 25 liters is equal to 150 km. 30 liters is equal to x. Now then apply cross multiplication. See this and this. 25 by Here 25 by 30 is equal to 150 by x. Now we have to find x. X is equal to, here see, this is the x. Take this x to this side and take these two in this side. So that is 150 into 30 divided by 25. Now to solve this, we get 5 6s are 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 30s are 6 30s are 180 kilometers. So here, therefore, with 30 liters of petrol, car can go 180 kilometers. This is the one method. Next, method 2. So, method 2 is 25 liters is equal to 150 kilometers. But 1 liter is equal to 150 by 25. Now, 5 5s are 5 30s are 5 1s are 5 6s are. Here 1 liter is equal to 6 kilometers. Right? Now, how far can go with 30 liters of petrol? So from 30 liters. So we want to know about the 30 liters of petrol. Therefore, 1 into 30, that is equal to 6 into 30. It means 6 30s are 180 kilometers. Here and in this case, these two methods are different, but answer is same. So you can use this method and this method also. For better understanding purpose, I explain those two methods here. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.1 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Here is the question number 1. Find the ratio of 5 rupees to 50 pies, 15 kgs to 210 grams, 9 meters to 27 centimeters, 30 days to 36 hours. So, here are the 4 questions. We have to find the ratios of the given questions. So, let's start with this. 5 rupees to the 50 pies. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, from this, we can find the ratios of these two. So, 5 rupees. It means 5 into 100 paise. So, it gets 500 paise. Now, it is easy to make a ratio. Therefore, ratio is equal to 500 paise is to 50 paise. We know that ratio doesn't have any units. So 500 divided by 50, 0 gets cancelled, 5 1s are 5 10s are. Therefore 10 is to 1 is the answer here. If you take here question number B, 15 kgs to 210 grams. We know that 1 kg, it means 1 kilogram is equal to the 1000 grams. So by using this formula, we can convert this. So 15 kg is equal to 15 into 1000 grams. So 15,000 grams. Now ratio 15,000 grams is to 210 grams. 15,000 divided by 210. 0 gets cancelled. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. 0. Therefore, 500 is to 7 is the answer. Similarly, this also. Here, 9 meters to 27 centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Therefore, 9 into 100 centimeters, it is equal to 900 centimeters. Therefore, ratio is equal to 900 centimeters is to 27 centimeters. We know that ratio doesn't have any units. So, 900 divided by 27. Here, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. It means 300s are. Again, 3 3s are. Again, 300s are. So, it means 100 is to 3 is the answer. Next, finally, this one. 30 days to 36 hours. So, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So, by using this, we can find given problem. So, 30 days. It means 30 into 24 hours. It gets, see, 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6, 7. 72 hours. Sorry, 720 hours. So, ratio is equal to 720 hours is to 36 hours. So, 720 divided by 36 because ratio doesn't need any unit. So, 36 ones are, 36 twos are. So, it means 0. Here is a 0. Therefore, 20 is to 1 is the answer for this one. So, this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.1 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 3. Population of Rajasthan is equal to 570 lakhs and population of UP is equal to 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is equal to 3 lakh kilometer square and area of the UP is equal to 2 lakh kilometer square. How many people are there per kilometer square in the both these states? And second one is, which state is less populated? So these are the two questions from the given matter. We have to find the how many people are there per kilometer square in both states. And second one is, which state is less populated? So first of all, we have to answer first one. Then automatically we got the second one answer. So let's start with answer. Population of Rajasthan. Given population of Rajasthan 570 lakhs. Here area of Rajasthan 3 lakh kilometer square. Similarly, population of UP, that is 1660 lakhs, and area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square. Now, here how many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? If you take Rajasthan and here take UP, okay? Now, Rajasthan having 570 lakhs is equal to 3 lakhs kilometer square. UP having 1660 lakhs equal to the 2 lakh kilometer square. Now, we have to find the per kilometer square. Here, this per means each kilometer square. Okay, how many people were for the 1 kilometer square? It means each means 1 also. So, here 1 kilometer square is equal to, it means if you take this as denominator, 570 by, it is in lakhs, right? 3. Here also, here 1 kilometer square, 1660 lakhs divided by 2. But ratio doesn't need any units. But in this case, we have to find the kilometer square population. So that's why I'm using here lakh. Here 3 ones are 3. Here 27 is left. 3 nines are and 0. So 1 kilometer square is equal to 190 lakhs people for Rajasthan. Okay. Next, coming to the UP. See, simplify this. 2 ones are 2 eights are 16. 2 threes are and 0 is common. So 1 kilometer square is equal to 830 people. 830 lakhs people. So this is about the Rajasthan and this is about the UP. Now, how many people are there per kilometer square in both states? We are finding this answer. So it is as first one answer. Next, second one answer is which state is less populated? So less populated state is, if you see, this is Rajasthan and that is 190 lakhs per kilometer square, and this is UP, that is equal to 830 lakhs per kilometer square. Now see, if you compare these two, 190 is the less populated area, therefore less populated state is Rajasthan. Here also Rajasthan. So this is about this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is percentage from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Here we are going to discuss about the percentage. Usually we can see in our daily life percentages in maximum, in marks, and percentage of discounts, like that. So let's start with the percentage. First of all, what is a percentage? If you take two examples, like A got 320 marks out of 400. Here B got 300 marks per 360 out of. So it means which one is greater? No, we cannot say easily, because of we have to take the percentages. So if you solve this, it got 80% of marks. Here it got 83.3% of marks. See, in marks 320 is greater apart from denominator. Here also, if you hide these two, we got the A has 320 marks but we have 300 marks. But coming to the denominator, it is main for the percentage comparison. See, it is out of 400 and it is out of 360. So, out of 400 it got 80%, out of 360 marks B got 83.3%. It means it is higher, right? So, this is the percentage comparison only I told you, but in this video we can learn how to make a percentage. Okay, so first of all, take the definition of percentage. Percentage or numerators of fractions with denominator 100. So let's start meaning of percentage. It is a Latin word and it is derived from Latin word and word percentum. Its meaning is per 100. You know, cent means 100, right? So that is like percentum means per 100. So that is the meaning of the percentum word, it comes under the percentage by calling it. So next, third one is main point, representation of percentage. Representation, that is symbol like this. Okay, it means hundredth, like hundredth. It means 1%, that is 1 out of 100. It means 1 by 100. So it is also 0.01 and also 1%. So this is the derivation for this. See, representation in percents, hundredth also. So 1%, we can write it as 1 out of 100. So 1 by 100. It is in decimal 0.01. Here we got fractions, here we got decimals. Finally we got percentages, 1%. So we can write 1% as 0.01 and 1 by 100 also. Okay. So if you take any number like 4 by 100, how it would be? 4%. Similarly, if there is no like 4 by 25, there is no 100 in the denominator. Here we have in the denominator 100. Here we don't have any 100 in denominator. But in this case, how we are going to take this one in a percentage? So apply both numerator and denominator with the 4. So 4 fours are 16 by 100. It means 16%. So this is in with the denominator with 100, but it is not with the 100. So these are the two different cases to know about the percentage, how to represent. So this is about the meaning of percentage and how it can be represented. Next, second one is converting fractional numbers to percentage. We know the fractions in the form of numerator by denominator. This into percentages. Okay, that is the topic. So let's start. So in fractions, we have different types of denominators, like all denominators are not to be same. So that's why we have to make any fractions to the percentage by using 100 in a denominator, right? So in this case, we already discussed. So let's see here also. To take one example, then you will get better understanding here. So there is a class of students 25. In that, out of 25, girls are 15 members. Then we have to find the girls percentage. How it would be? See, 15 girls are there out of 25. Now we have to convert this into percentage. So into 100. Now, so if you solve this, see, 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 3 20s are 60. 60% are girls are there. So that is the converting fraction number to a percentage value. This is the unknown value to find the girls percentage, right? If they given directly to convert any fraction to percentage, like convert 5 by 4 to percent, then how? So take similarly 5 by 4 into 100%. So 4 1s are 4 25s are. Therefore 25 5s are 125%. So this is the converting fractions to percentages. So this is third one, converting decimal to percentages. Here also same procedure, but in this case we have decimals. First of all, decimals convert into fractions, then convert it into percentages. That's it. So let's start. If you take 0.75 and 0.2, we have to make it into percentages. So let's start with 0.75. Make it into fractions, 0.75. So how it would be? 75 divided by 100. Similarly, this also 0.2, right? So 20 by 100. Now here we can write it as 75% and this is just 20%. If you take another example also, 0.09. How it would be? Here we have two numbers from the point. So 9 by 100. It means If in case, if you want to convert this 1, 2, after 2 points we put a point here. So that's why it is 9 by 100. So it is 9%. So this is the converting decimal to a percentages. Finally, converting percentage to fraction or a decimal. This is also same. See, if you take one fraction number like 1 by 100 and another decimal number 0.01. See, this is fraction and this is a decimal. Now, so it is 1%. See, 0.01, that means 1 by 100. It is also 1%. So this is the about the percentage to fraction or a decimal. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is use of percentages from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Here is the topic, use of percentages. One is interpreting percentages. Second one is converting percentages to how many. So take the first one here, interpreting percentages. It means how we are going to represent and how we are denoting the percentages is the topic here. So let's start from here. I will give you 2-3 examples, then you will get better understanding about the how to interpreting the percentages. Okay. If you take 5% of B's pocket money is saving by B, or this is the one, and second one is 20% of A's dresses are red in color. Third one is C gets 10% on every book he sold. See here, 3 types of statements are there. One is 5% of B's pocket money is saving by B. 20% of A's dresses are red in color. C gets 10% on every book he sold. See, here 5% of B's pocket money. It means if he got 100 rupees of pocket money, he is saving 5 rupees of money. If he get 200 rupees, then he will double it, means 5 2 is 10 rupees. If he get 300, guess how much? 15 rupees are saving by B. So that is the interpreting of the percentages with given relevant matter. Here also 20% of A's dresses are red in color. If you take here 100 dresses are there to A, then how many dresses are red in color? 20 obviously. If you take total dresses of A is having 50, then how many dresses are in red color? It means 20%. Here 10 dresses are in red color. Here also C gets 10% on every book he sold. If he sold 20 rupees every book, in that 20 rupees he got 2 rupees profit. Here also if you have 100 rupees sold of book, he get 10 rupees off on every book. So that is the interpreting of percentages by using the given statement. So next, coming to the converting percentages to how many. So this is the percentages, but how many, it means how many percentages are given and how many percentages are like. If you take one example, there are 100 students are in one class. In that 50% are boys. How many girls are there? We can tell 50% because of 100. It means 50 is here and another 50 is here. If you take this is as 100%. Similarly, if any matter given, then we have to convert that given matter into how many percentage of another unknown matter. See, example, a survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. How many children like playing football? Here are in one survey 40 children are there. In that 25% children are like to play football. We have to find the how many children like to play football. Here is the percentage, but we have to convert this percentage into how many. Here also how many. So that is the main thing in that question. So let's start here. given a survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football, right? We have to find how many children like to play football. This is what we have to find. Now let's start. 25% of 40. We can write it as like this. Why? Because of here 40 children are there. Out of 40, there are 25% are like to play football. So that's why I'm writing like this. Now here 25 by 100 into 40. Here of means into symbol. It means multiplication symbol. So now take the simplification step here. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 into 2. So it means 5 2s are 10 children are like to play football out of 40 children. Therefore, 10 children like to play football out of 40 children. So this is about the how to convert percentages to how many. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.2 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 1. Convert the given fractional numbers to percents. In previous videos, we already discussed about the how to convert a given fraction number to percents. I will provide the link in a description box. Please check it once. And here, question number A, 1 by 8, C, 3 by 40, and D, 2 by 7. We have to convert these fractional numbers to percentages. Before going into that, we have to remember one thing. That is, percentages are numerators of fractions with the denominator 100. See, if we want to convert this fraction number into percentages, we have to use this sentence. That is, percentages are numerators of fractions with the denominator 100. So in order to get denominator 100, either we have to multiply denominator with a 100, or else if it is a chance to get a 100 in a denominator, then we have to multiply that number with this number and get the 100 in a denominator. So for that long procedure, I am going to short procedure, that is 1 by 8 into, I am multiplying both numerator and denominator with 100. Right? Now take the simplification. Here 100 is common because of percentages are denominator with 100. So without disturbing this denominator, we have to simplify only numerators with this denominator only. So 2 4s are 2 50s are. Again 2 2s are 2 25s are. Here 25 by 2 into 1 by 100. We can write it as like this. Yes. Now 2 1s are 2 12.5s are. See, 25 here, 2 1s are 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, here 1 is remaining, put a point here, we get 0, 2 5s are 10, so it gets 0. The answer is 12.5 like this. Therefore, 12.5% is the answer for this one, fraction number to percentages. Similarly, this also. Now, 3 by 40 into both numerator and denominator multiplied by 100. Then take simplification. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are, 2 5s are. Here, 3 by 2 into 5 by 100. It means 3 5s are 15 by 2 into 1 by 100. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 1 is remaining. So 7.5. See 15. This is 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 is remaining. Put a point and get 0 here. 2 5s are 10. Right? So 7.5%. Now take this also. 2 by 7 into 100 by 100. Put the denominator as it is. Now 2 into 100 by 7 into 1 by 100. Now 200 by 7. Now make 200 with the 7 division. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. 6 is remaining and get 0 here. Again 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. So above that 7 8s are 56. 4 is remaining. Now make it as mixed fraction. Sorry, here 1 by 100 common. So now 28 7 by 4 percentage. So this is the answer, and this is about the how to convert a given fraction number into percentages. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.2 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 2. Convert the given decimal fractions to percents. So here is 0.65 and 12.35. In previous videos, we already discussed about the how to convert a decimal fraction to a percentages. I will provide the link in description box. Please check it once. And here 0.65. This is a decimal number. In order to make percentage, we have to take two steps. One is making fraction and another one is simplification. Before going into that, we have to take one thing, that is percentages are numerator of fractions with denominator 100. See, if you want to convert any number or any decimal or any fraction to percents, we have to take numerator of fractions with the denominator 100. So it will easy to get a percentages. So by using this, and we have to convert decimal fraction to percentages. So let's start. Here a 0.65. Now convert this into fraction number. So here 1 2. After 2 points from right to left, so we have to divide this number with 100. Say take 65 and by 100. So this is the one. Now here percentages are numerators of fractions with the denominator 100. If in case there is no 100 in this denominator, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 100. But in this case we have already 100 in a denominator, so there is no need to make 100 in a denominator. So let's write it as 65 by 1 into 1 by 100. Now we can call it as 65%. So this is the answer for this question. Similarly, this also, take D 12.35. Now this is also after point we have two numbers. It means it is divided by 100. Similar to this one, right? So now 1235 by 1 into 1 by 100, we can write it as like this. Yes. Now 1235 percentage. So this is the answer for how to convert a decimal fractions to percentages. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.2 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 4. Find 15% of 250, 1% of 1 hour, 75% of 1 kg. Here, one is numerical numbers and second one is hours and third one is kgs. So let's start with the A. Here 15% of 250 means 15 divided by 100 into 250. It means Of means multiplication symbol. Now take the simplification step here. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. Right? After cancellation 15 by 10 into 25. Again 5 2s are 5 5s are. Now 15 into 5 divided by 2. Now here we get 15 5s are 75 by 2. Now take 75 here. 2 3s are 6. 15 is remaining. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Here gets 1. Put a point here. Get 0. 2 5s are 10. So here we get remainder as 0. So answer is 37.5. So sorry, 37.5 is the answer, because of here it is in percentages, right? So therefore 15% of 250 is equal to 37.5 is the answer for this one. If you take this one, B, 1% of 1 hour. 1% means 1 by 100 into 1 hour means we know that 60 minutes. Right? Now 60 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. Now 6 by 10. Here 2 3s are 3 5s are. It means 3 by 5 minutes. Or else write 3 here and 5 here. Put a point 0. 5 6 are 30. Get 0. It means 0.6 minutes. And also we can write it as 3 by 5 or 36 seconds. So this is the answer for this one. It means therefore 1% of 1 hour is equal to 3 by 5 or 36 seconds is the answer for this one. Next, finally D, 75% of 1 kg. Here 75 is nothing but 75 by 100 into 1 kg means 1000 grams. We know that. Now 0 0 gets cancelled. 75 by 10 into 100 grams. 0 0 again gets cancelled. So finally 75 into 10 grams are remaining. So 75 into 10, 750 grams are answer. Therefore 75% of 1 kg is equal to 750 grams. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.2 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 7. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males and remaining are children. What percent are children? So here in a city 30% of females are there, 40% males are there, but remaining are children. So we know one thing, that is percentages with 100 only. So by using that formula we can solve this question easily. So let's start with A. So let's start in a city. Given in a city females 30%, males 40%, remaining, that is children. We don't. But we know one thing, that is percentages are made with 100 only. So what percent or children, we have to find this one. Therefore total percentage female plus males plus children. Total percentage 100%. Females are 30% plus males are 40% plus children we don't know. We have to find that. Now take again 100% minus 30% plus 40% is equal to children. We can write it as, right? because of here children is kept common and I took these two. It take transversal, then it changes its sign also. Now 100% minus 30% plus 40%, 70% is equal to children. Now 100 minus 70, it means children is equal to 100% minus 70%. Therefore, children is equal to 100 minus 70. We know that 30% are children. Therefore, percent of children is 30. So, this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.2 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So, answer is a local cricket team played 20 matches. A local cricket team, 20 matches played in one season. In that one season, they won 25% of matches. We have to find the how many matches. So, let's start with the answer. Given a local cricket team matches played in one season is equal to 20 matches, right? In that it won 25%. Finally, we have to find how many matches did they win. Now, total matches 20. Percentage of win 25%. So now we can write it as 25% of 20. Yes, because of total matches, in that we have won 25% of matches. So 25 by 100, of means multiplication symbol and 20. Now simplify this. 0 0 gets cancelled. 25 by 10 into 2. Now here 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 ones are 5 fives are. I will write it clearly here. 25 by 10 into 2. Here 2 ones are 2 fives are, right? Now 5 ones are 5 fives are. Therefore 5 matches they win. Therefore 5 matches won by local cricket team in one season out of 20 matches. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is ratios to percents from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. This is the part of use of percentage. We already discussed about the use of percentage. This is the topic one of that. Here, example, if 250 is to be divided among us, Ravi, Raju and Roy, so that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju 3 parts and Roy gets 5 parts. How much money will each get? What will it be in percentages? Why I am taking example problem firstly, because of we know the ratios and we know the percentages. But ratios to conversion of percentages is somewhat difficult from remaining one. So that's why I'm telling with example problem, then you will get better understanding, I hope. So let's start with answer here. This is the easiest problem. See, if 250 rupees is to be divided amongst Ravi, Raju, Roy. Here take 250 rupees. It divided by Raju, Ravi, Roy. Okay. Now, Raju gets 3 parts. Ravi gets 2 parts. Roy gets 5 parts. It means 3 plus 2 plus 5. 10. If you make 250 into 10 parts, then they will divide like 3 to 5 times, right? This matter we are making step by step procedure and then we will get the better answer. So now see, given 250 rupees is divided amongst Ravi, Raju and Roy. So that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju gets 3 parts, and finally Roy gets 5 parts. So total is 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? Now amount received by each is, if you take Ravi here, Raju and Roy. Okay. Now take Ravi 2 by 10 of how many? 250 rupees. See, this is the total and this is the part, right? How we are going to represent fraction? Total, part, right? So here also part taken by Ravi is 2 and total is 10, right? That's why. Here also same. 3 by 10 into 250. Here also 5 by 10 into 250. Now simplify this. See, 2 ones are 2 fives are. 5 ones are 5 fifties are. It means it is 50 rupees. Next here also. 5 twos are 5 fives are. Here 5 threes are 15, 150 by 2, 150 by 2. It means 2 ones are 275s are. So it is rupees 75. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2, 4 is remaining, 2 twos are 4 and 10 is remaining 5. Here rupees 125 rupees. These are the amounts received by each one. Now we have to find what will it be in percentages. It will in percentages we have to know. So similarly here percentages. We know that percentages are numerators of fractions with denominators 100. So in order to make that 2 by 10 into 100%. Right, here also see 3 by 10 into percentages and it means 100%. Here also 5 by 10 into 100%. Now 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 2 tens are 20%, 3 tens are 30% and 5 tens are 50%. If you want to check this, 20 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 50, 100. It means 100% and this is also count. See, this is 100%, right? See, this is also 75 plus 125, we get 200 plus 50, 250 rupees. So this is also correct. If this is 250 rupees, this is 100%. Absolutely, this is the right procedure to find the how much amount received by each one and how much percentage get by each one. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is increase or decrease as percent from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. This is the one of the topic of use of percentages. In previous videos, we already discussed 3 topics about use of percentages. This is the 4th one. Increase or decrease as a percent. I will provide all the 3 links in a description box. Please check it once. And here increase or decrease as percent. We know the percent. What is increase or decrease? If you take example like height of A is equal to 10 centimeters last year, 1 year back, okay. Height of A 15 centimeters. For example, after 1 year 6 months, we can see change of height here. So there is a change of height, there is a percentage change also, right? It either increases or decreases. So based on that, here is one formula for that. So by using that formula, we are going to solve this problem also. So let's start increase or decrease as percent formula here first of all. Formula is percentage of increase or decrease. If we change any percent, any increase or decrease, we can see the change. So here in the numerator, amount of change. It may be weight, height, population or any something. That is the amount of change. It means original minus changed one. Next, denominator. Denominator is original one. Original amount. Percent means it means 100. So this is the formula for the increase or decrease as a percent. So let's start with the question also here. The number of illiterate persons in a country decreased from 150 lakhs to 100 lakhs in 10 years. What is the percentage of decrease? Here we can see 150 lakhs to 100 lakhs. It means illiterate to literate persons are increased but illiterate persons are decreased. So that decrease percentage we have to tell by using this formula. So answer is given the number of illiterate persons in a country decreased from 150 lakhs to 100 lakhs. The percentage of decrease. Therefore, the formula is percentage of decrease is equal to amount of change by original amount into 100. Now, amount of change, that is 150 lakhs minus 100 lakhs, right? It means 50 lakhs. Original amount, we know that 150 lakhs. Original amount equal to 150 lakhs. Amount means it may be base or anything, not a rupee. So here also base. Therefore, this formula apply here also. Amount of change is 50 lakhs divided by 150 original into 100. So now 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 threes are. It means 1 by 3 into 100. It means 100 by 3 percentage. Therefore, 33 1 by 3 is the answer. So, I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is prices related to an item or buying and selling. From Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. This is the easiest topic in this comparing quantities. So here, prices related to item. If you take any item, that prices are related to item and buying and selling also. So these two are, and these two. These four relations are telling us this topic. So I will explain through one example, then you will get better understanding. See, this is the item. For example, take, I am writing with one by one line also. If I will bought this item, okay, let it be item A. If item A, that any product, I will giving you this example only. So this is item A, okay. I will bought this A with 10 rupees. With 10 rupees. Okay. So that 10 rupees, it means I am buying cost, right? Buying price or cost price is equal to 10 rupees. So in shortcut we can call it as CP, cost price. Now, if in case this item I am selling with 12 rupees, for example, so it is called selling price. Selling price is 12 rupees I am selling. So it is also called SP. So buying price, at what price I buy this item, it is called cost price, and at what price I am selling, it is called selling price. Shortcut, it is CP and this is SP. See, always any item, this item, not only this item, any item, it may be prices increases or decreases based on that purpose. It means increasing or decreasing. We can decide it is as profit or loss. So see, here I buy it with 10 rupees but sell with 12 rupees. I got the profit. If in case I bought with the 10 rupees but I sell with 8 rupees, I will lose, right? So by based on that, prices increasing or decreasing, we have profit or loss. Okay, we have two formulas for this. See, if CP, it means cost price, is less than SP, it means selling price is greater, cost price is less, then we get profit. How we can sell? So SP minus CP. Second one is, if CP is greater than the SP, we got the loss. It means CP minus SP. If in case CP is equal to SP, no loss and no profit. See, if in case, I will explain through examples. A toy, CP, it means cost price is 100 rupees. Okay. Selling price is 120 rupees. Then either loss or a profit, it is SP minus CP. You can see CP is less than the SP. Here CP 100 and SP is 120. It means SP is greater. It means it gets profit, right? So it gets profit here. You know that if you get profit, we are happy, right? So next one is same toy you purchased. It means cost price is 100 rupees, but selling price is 80 rupees. Then CP is greater than the SP. It means you will get loss. See, in losses we are sad. If in case same toy, CP is 100 and SP's selling price is 100 rupees, then we got CP is equal to SP. There is no loss and there is no profit also, and no profit. So there is no loss and no profit for us. So this is about the what is a cost price and what is a selling price, and what if increase or decrease of item price, then how we are getting profit or losses formulas. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is profit or loss as a percentage from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. This is about the profit or loss as a percentage. So in previous videos we already discussed about the what is a profit and what is a loss. In this session we are going to learn, that is profit percentage or a loss percentage. We know the percentage. So either profit or loss is based on the cost price. It means buying price. So by using that we are making formula here, that is profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Or we know that loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Here we know that profit and loss, these two are based on the cost price and selling price. So if you get profit, it is selling price is more than the cost price. So SP minus CP. Here loss price, cost price is greater than the selling price, that is implies to loss. So by using these formulas we can get any solutions. So let's start with example problem here. The cost of flower vase is 120 rupees. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 10%, find the price at which it is sold. So here flower vase cost is 120. It means cost price is given, CP. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of, he is telling it is a loss of 10%. Find the price at which it is sold. It means selling price we have to find. So therefore, let's start with answer here. Given the cost of flower vase equal to 120 rupees. The shopkeeper sells loss of 10%. Now find selling price, SP. Okay. Now what is the loss percentage formula? This. But here this is the cost price and this is the loss. So we can write it as 10% of 120 rupees. Yes. 10% means 10 by 100 into 120. 0 gets cancelled, 10 gets cancelled. It means 12 rupees. Now, so here 12 rupees loss is equal to 12 rupees. We know the formula, loss equal to CP minus SP. So we have to find SP, right? SP is equal to CP minus loss. If you see here, these two are interchanged with their signs also. Therefore, SP is equal to CP means 120 minus loss 12 rupees. This is also rupees. Therefore, SP is equal to 108 rupees. Therefore, the shopkeeper sells it with 108 rupees. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is charge given on borrowed money or simple interest from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. This is the main and important topic and easiest topic also to solve the problems. So let's start with the charge given on borrowed money or simple interest. If you observe this is a charge and borrowed money and simple interest. If you follow this video correctly, then you will get the answer in this line only. Charge, borrowed money, that is called simple interest. I will explain through step by step. Then you will get better understanding, I hope. If in case, take one example. Let it be A and B are two friends. A is going to buy a scooter. For example, scooter or one item. Okay. It must cost is so expensive than she thinks. But B asked A, you have sufficient money or not? You have sufficient money or not? A said, no, I want to put a loan from bank or any person. Let it be X also. So here, loan from bank. See this line. What is a loan from bank? Okay. For example, if you take, this is as bank. You take the some money sufficient to buy a item. Okay. So let it be total money you got from the bank. Okay. Let it be P. It is called principal. Okay. Now, after some time, you have returned this. So, return. This is the borrowed money principal, right? So, after some time, you have given this to the bank. But in between these two, we have some time period. It may be days or months or years. Usually we are using years, but I am going to tell you about it in detail. So days, months or years. Okay, this is called T. For this time, bank has some charges on that. Charges on that time. It is called interest. According to their rules and depends on principal also. So here we have got three. One is P and another one is T, another one is I. It is called interest and this is time and this is principal. So how much money you can give bank at the time of return? That is called total amount. Amount, that is principal plus interest. So this is the, when we are going to return, we have to pay this amount. This is called simple interest. Okay. Now, how we are going to find interest here? That is the main thing also, to add to the principal. So, let's start how to find an interest. If, for example, 5,000 rupees is the loan, it means it is called P, right? Principal amount. And time is for 1 year. Now, rate of interest. It means, rate of interest, it means 10% per annum. Annum means year. That means per year also. So, usually we are using per annum base wise problems. So, that's why it's called rate of interest. So, here, if you solve this, here we have P, but we don't have interest. It means, so I is equal to how much of principal, that is P, into rate of interest R by 100. This is the formula for the interest. So, by substituting these values, I is equal to P means 5,000 into R means rate of interest. See one thing here, 10% means 10 by 100. Usually we are using this, but in this case we are only using this 10 only. It means rate of interest means 10 only. So 10 divided by 100. Now make simplification, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So 500 rupees is the interest for 1 year. Therefore, how we are going to add? Amount is equal to P plus I. If in case we have to pay this total amount to the bank, that is returned amount, that is A, P plus I. P is, we know, that is the loan taken from the bank, and I is interest we are calculated. Therefore, interest 500 rupees plus principal loan, that is principal 5,000 rupees. That's equal to 5,500 rupees is we have to pay for the, when we are going to return the bank, that is the amount. So this is the simple interest formula and this is the interest formula. By using these two we can calculate the amount. And if in case there is a given amount and there is a interest is also given, we have to find the P also, vice versa. In this case, we cannot write 10 by 100. So, cannot write R as 10 by 100. Only we have to write it as R is equal to 10 only. In starting of video, I told you charge, borrowed money, simple interest. Here, borrowed money is this and charge is interest and simple interest is by combining these two. So, this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with another topic, that is interest for multiple years from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. In earlier video, we already discussed about the simple interest. I will provide the link in the description box. Please check it once. And here, interest for multiple years. So, we have to know the simple interest. A is equal to P plus I. So, I is equal to P into R by 100. Here A is equal to amount, P is equal to principal, I is equal to interest, and finally R is equal to rate of interest. That is PA also. So these are the things we learned in earlier video, but in this case interest for multiple years. So it means, if you see, for example, again take the bank, take a principal. So you have written this principal amount after for some time. So that is equal to A is equal to P plus I. So this time is, for example, take it as 3 years. Now, principal amount is 5,000 rupees and time is 3 years and we have to find the amount and interest also. Now, how we are going to find this for multiple years? It means we find the only for 1 year, but here we have 3 years. So, how we are going to solve this? See, interest is equal to P into R by 100. But here, let's take R as 15%. Okay. So, I is equal to, here, T into P into R divided by 100. This is the for multiple years. It is interest for. So, this is I is equal to P into R by 100. If in case another 1 year is added, how we are going to write P into R by 100? Again, P into R by 100. If in case there is a T times of years, how we are going to write it as T into P into R by 100. So, for T years, T might be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years and so on, T years also. So, that's why I am taking T here for time. Here rate of interest is given, time is given and 5,000 principal. So, this is T. We have to substitute all the values here. So, T is equal to 3 years, P is equal to 5,000 into R is equal to 15 divided by 100. Why I am taking 15 only? Rate of interest per annum it is. So, percentage is, we should not mention in this formula. Only we have to take 15 here. Either 10 is there, we have to take 10 only. If in case 20 is there, we have to take 20 only, not by percentage wise. So, here 15. Why? Because of percentage wise. We know that is R is equal to 15 by 100. Here T, we have 3 and P 5000. Here 15 by 100 also. That's why. Because of if you take another 100 is here, the calculation is manipulated. So that's why I am mentioning here. So now take the simplification. 0 0 cancel. Here 0 0 cancel. Now multiply. 350s are 150 into 15. So 150 into 15. 500, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 6 7 and 150. 0 5 12 2. It is called I is equal to 2250 rupees. So this is the interest amount for 3 years. Now we have to take the amount. A is equal to P plus I. We know the P and we know the I also. So 5000 plus I, 2250 rupees. Finally 7250 rupees is the amount, that is total amount we have to pay to the, that is return amount to the bank. So this is about the how to calculate interest for multiple years, and this is the simple interest formula, and these are the abbreviations for the each letter. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.3 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. Here I took randomly 2 questions only. So B, a refrigerator bought for 12,000 rupees and sold at 13,500 rupees. So we have to take the profit or loss and also find the profit percent or loss percent. Here also, a skirt bought for 250 rupees and sold for 150 rupees. Here also we have to find the both profit or loss, and another one is to find the profit percent or loss percent. So let's start with here. Given refrigerator bought for rupees, that is CP, because of cost price 12,000 rupees. Refrigerator sold for rupees, that is selling price SP, 13,500 rupees. Here we have 3 rules. If in case CP is greater than SP, it is a loss. If in case SP is greater than CP, it is a profit. CP is equal to SP, there is no loss and there is no profit also. Here SP is greater than the CP. It means it goes to profit. We have to find the profit money first of all. Therefore, SP minus CP is equal to 13,500 rupees minus 12,000 rupees. 13,500 rupees minus 12,000 means 1,500 rupees is profit. So it is called profit. Now we have to find the profit percentage. Second one is profit percentage. Percentage, profit or loss, it may be depends on the cost price, which amount we are bought. That is the main thing here. So profit divided by CP into 100. So profit is equal to 1,500 rupees divided by CP 12,000 rupees into 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancelled here. So here 150 by 12 is remaining. So 150 is divided with 12. 12 ones are 12. 3 is remaining. 3 0 30. 12 twos are 24, 6 is remaining. Put a point here. Here we got another 0. 12 5s are 60. So that is 12.5. This is the percentage. 12.5% is the profit percentage. So it is profit percentage. So this is the one. Similarly, this is so. So let's start here. CP, it means cost price, is got bought for 250 rupees. So it is CP, 250 rupees. SP, it means selling price, that is 150 rupees. So here CP is greater than SP. So CP is greater than the SP. It means it is loss. Therefore, CP minus SP, it is 250 rupees minus 150 rupees. Let's get 100 rupees loss. It is loss. Now we have to find the loss percentage. Loss percentage, that is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. So loss is equal to 100 divided by CP, 250 rupees into 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 5s are. Again 5 1s are. 5 20s are. So it is 2 into 20. It means 2 2s are 4, 40. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to 40. So this is about the how to find a loss or a profit from the given cost price and selling price, and also find the profit percentage and loss percentage. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.3 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 4. Aruna bought a car for 3,50,000 rupees. The next year the price went up to 3,70,000 rupees. What was the percentage of price increases? So this is the question comes under the increase or decrease as percent. So let's see. In previous videos we already discussed about the increase or decrease of percentages. So check the description box for that link. And here this is the car cost price and this is the increased price. So we have to find the percentage of price increases. So we have a formula for that. So let's start with step by step. Aruna bought, given Aruna bought a car for rupees of 3,50,000. The price went up to rupees of 3,70,000. Now we have to find the percentage of price increases. So this is we have to find. Formula is percentage of increase is equal to amount of change is divided by original amount into 100. Now amount change we have to find here. So that is amount change. It means increased amount minus original amount. Right? If in case it is a decrease, original amount minus decreased amount. Because of this is the higher one and decreased amount is the lower one. This is increased, right? So that's why we are taking increased amount minus original amount. So increased amount is 3,70,000 rupees minus original amount is 3,50,000 rupees. So in between these two we have 20,000 is increased money. So 20,000 rupees are increased money. Therefore, amount of change, that is 20,000 divided by original amount means this one. So 3,50,000 into 100. So let's start simplification. 0, 0 cancel. Here 0, 0 and this 0, 0, 0. Finally 200 divided by 35. Now 5 sevens are 5 fours are 20 and 0. So it is 40 by 7. We have to find the percentage of increase. So take the 40 and divide with the 7. 7 5s are 35 by 5. So it is, write it as mixed fraction 5 by 7. So therefore it is 5 by 7 percentage. Percentage of increase is equal to 5 by 7 percentage. So this is the answer for this one. And I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.3 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 6. Juhi sells a washing machine for 13,500 rupees. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? So here Juhi sells a washing machine for 13,500. Here selling price, and she loses, it is loss 20% in the bargain. It means original cost losses 20%. It means CP losses 20%. So we have to find the CP. So let's start step by step procedure, then we will get better answer here. So given Juhi sells a washing machine for 13,500 rupees. Now she loses 25% of the CP. It means cost price, right? So loss is equal to loss percentage of CP. We can write this line as it is S. So let's take as CP is equal to X. Therefore here loss is equal to loss percentage 20% of CP. CP is X. Now loss is equal to 20% means 20 by 100. Of means multiplication symbol and X. 0, 0, 2 ones are 2 5s are. It means loss is equal to X by 5. We can write it as like this. Yes. So now loss is equal to X by 5. Now we know the SP. It means this is SP, selling price, is equal to 13,500 rupees. Now we have to find CP. Only one formula, that is CP minus SP is equal to loss, right? So CP is equal to here X and SP we know, and loss is X by 5 and SP is equal to 13,500 rupees. Now by using this formula here, X minus 13,500 equal to X by 5. By interchanging these two, X minus X by 5 is equal to 13,500 rupees. Now take the LCM here. 5x minus X by 5 is equal to 13,500 rupees. Now 4x by 5 is equal to 13,500 rupees. Now we have to find the X value. X is equal to 13,500 into 5 divided by 4. Now simplify this. 2 2s are 2 6s are 12, 15 is remaining, 2 7s are 14, 1 is remaining 10, 2 5s are and 0. Again by 2, 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 5. x is equal to 3375 into 5. So by multiplying these two, 3375 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. 5 3s are 15, 16. So 16,000. X is equal to 16,875 is the XP. So this is also implies to CP, cost price. So that is what we have to find. Yes. What was the price at which she bought? So this is. Therefore, Juhi bought washing machine at 16,875 rupees. So this is the about the how to find the CP by using the given values. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.3 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 7. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. Second one is, if in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 grams, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So here two questions are there. So here ratios are given. We have to find the percentage of the carbon in chalk. This is comes under the ratios percentages, and here chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen. So given chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen. It is in the ratio of 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon. So percentage of carbon. So we have to find the total. That is 10 plus 3 plus 12. It is 25. Now percentage of carbon is, this is the carbon. So carbon divided by total into 100. So carbon amount is 3, total is 25 into 100. So now apply simplification. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 3 fours are 12. 12%. Therefore, percentage of carbon in chalk is equal to 12%. So this is the first one answer. And second one is, if in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 grams, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So in a chalk stick, we have carbon 12%, right? So we have to find the weight of the chalk. So let's take weight of the chalk as x grams. So it is 12% of x, right? That's mean 12 by 100 into x. So it is 12% of x. But here given quantity of carbon is 3 grams. Now 12 by 100 into x grams is equal to 3 grams. Now in order to find x, we have to simplify this. So keep x in this place and interchange these values. 3 into 100 divided by 12. Now 3 ones are 3 fours are. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So therefore x is equal to 25 grams. Here x, what we have assumed that weight of the chalk. Therefore weight of the chalk is 25 grams. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.3 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 11. If Meena gives an interest of 45 rupees for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? So this is the question comes under the simple interest. So let's start with question. Meena gives interest 45 rupees for time of 1 year and R is equal to 9% per annum. We have to find the what she has borrowed. It means we have to find the principal only, not the amount. Amount means we know that simple interest, that is SI is equal to, it means A is equal to P plus I. This is the total. It means this is principal and this is the interest. By combining that we are getting amount, but here we have to find this she has borrowed. It means we have to find the principal amount only principal. So let's start with here. Given Meena gives interest I is equal to 45 rupees time T is equal to 1 year and rate of interest, that is 9% per annum. We have to find the principal, that is P is equal to how much. Therefore from this we have ITRP. By using these four given words we can write the formula, that is interest is equal to P into R into T by 100, right? So here we have I, R, T 100, but here we don't have P, so we have to find P also, right? So by substituting value in this, I is equal to 45, P we don't know, R is equal to 9 into time T1, that is divided by 100. Now apply simplification by keeping P here. 45 into 100 is equal to P into 9. It means 9 ones are 9. Now interchange the values. So by keeping P here, it gets here 45 into 100 divided by 9. See, 45 into 100 divided by 9 is equal to P. So P is equal to 45 by 100 into 100 by 9. 9 ones are 9 fives are. So P is equal to 500 rupees. Therefore, principal, that is Meena has borrowed money is 500 rupees. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 8.3 from Comparing Quantities 7th class NCERT. Question number 9. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Here I took only one question, that is principal is equal to 7,500 rupees at 5% per annum. So it means 5% per year. Okay, let's start with here. We have to find the amount for the 3 years. This is the principal and this is rate of interest. So let's start. Given P is equal to 7,500 rupees, that is principal. Next R is equal to 5% per annum, that is rate of interest, and time is given 3 years, that is time, and we have to find the A, that is P plus I. It means principal plus interest. So these two gives rise to amount. Now here we have only principal and we don't have interest. So in order to find interest, there is one formula again, that is interest I is equal to P into R into T by 100. P we know that principal, R we know that rate of interest, and T is equal to time. By using these three values we get interest, and after that we have to substitute this interest value into this. Then we know the principal value and interest value. By combining these two, it means adding the principal and interest, we get the amount here. So let's start substituting values. I is equal to P 7500 into R 5 into time T, that is 3 years. Here one thing we have to remember, that R is 5% only, but we don't use 5 by 100 again here. In this denominator we already have 100, so that's why take 5 only, and in denominator 100. Now apply simplification. 0 0 cancelled, here 0 0 cancelled. Now 75 into 5 into 3 is equal to I. It means 75 into 15. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37, 75. 5, 12, 11. So this is 1125 rupees. That is interest. So here we know the I is equal to 1125 rupees and P is given 7500 rupees. Finally, amount is equal to P plus I. Therefore, amount is equal to 7500 rupees plus 1125 rupees. A is equal to 8625 rupees. So this is the amount we have to pay at the end of 3 years. So this is about the how to find the amount with the given values. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.